Hey. How many times do I have to tell you to look at what I'm wearing before you leave the house? This is my shirt. Sorry. Do you want to do the tutorial or do you want me to? I'll do it. Fine. Be my guest. Hey, what's up guys? Josh here, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we get into it, let me tell you about our sponsor, Bitdefender. Are you looking for total security for your digital life without a single compromise? Meet Bitdefender Premium Security, the all-in-one solution to keep your devices, data, and privacy safe. With Bitdefender Premium Security, you get coverage across all your devices: Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Plus, you don't have to choose between security and performance. Bitdefender is optimized to stay in the background and keep everything running smooth and fast. Worried about online privacy? Bitdefender Premium includes a powerful VPN with unlimited traffic to keep your browsing secure and private. Perfect for avoiding prying eyes when you're on public Wi-Fi or just want that extra layer of anonymity. And when it comes to security threats, Bitdefender is constantly at work, blocking malware, phishing, and even ransomware attacks before they can do any harm. It's got easy-to-use parental controls, password manager, anti-tracker features, and so much more. Basically everything you need to keep your online world safe and running smoothly. Get Bitdefender Premium Security today and experience digital protection at its best. Just click the link in the description to get started and receive a whopping 50% off a 1-year subscription. Now, back to the show. So the first thing you want to do is lock down your camera. Lock down a shot, make sure your camera doesn't move, because if it does between shots, then you're going to have a hard time lining them up. The next thing is timing. If one of your clones is talking to the other one, then you're going to want to have some sort of script and then pause and make sure you leave enough time for a response. Then, when you film the other part, play back the first part on your computer or on a phone, and that way you'll have something to respond to and get the timing down. Alright, so I've gone ahead and lined up both of our clips in Premiere so that our dialogue lines up with each other. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this top clip, and let's take a look at what's going on underneath of it. So I'm going to go to Effect Controls, and I'm going to reduce the opacity of my top clip so that you can see my clone underneath. And you'll notice neither of these guys crosses this area right here. So what I want to do is I want to mask this portion out so that you can see the other clone. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So with that top track selected, we're going to go to our effect controls, and under opacity you'll see an oval, a square, and a pen tool. Now all of these will create masks. For this one, I'm going to select the pen tool, and then I'm going to draw a mask, and I'm going to start it right in the crease of this door because that's going to help me hide it. And we're just going to work our way all the way around, and then to close it, we'll click on that first square. Now you can see there's a pretty substantial line right there because of the shadow that I'm creating. So how do we fix that? Well, we want to feather this edge of the mask. So again, with our top clip in Effect Controls, Mask Feather, we're going to feather that out, and maybe about 130 pixels on that feather. And that looks a lot more natural. All right, so that's looking pretty good. Now there's one additional part to this. If you look at my final version here, you'll see that I slide over and cross that line that I created. So how I accomplish that is you have to animate your mask. So that's what we have right now. So we need to animate the edge of this mask over as I slide over. So to do that, we're going to put our playhead just before I cross that line.
And under mask, I'm going to click the stopwatch on mask path. And I'm going to decrease the size of my canvas just so I can see what's going on. Go ahead and click mask and you'll see our points pop up again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click one point there and then hold shift and click that bottom point. And what that's going to do is select both points at the same time, so then I can click and drag that whole side. All right, so we're going to move forward in time about 3 frames, I would say, and then move this over, move it over, 3 frames, move it over, 3 frames, move it over. And I'm gonna do that until we get to a resting position. And that's pretty good. Let's back it up and see how that looks. Not too shabby. So this is just a super fun, cool thing to do. If you enjoyed it, if you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials in Premiere Pro, Photoshop, After Effects, and much, much more. I'm gonna be putting the Premiere Pro project and the footage up on Patreon for all my patrons, so you can check that out, play with it, see how I did it. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.